Thanks for coming back. I'm Jeff Seaton and this is Jeff Seaton Lawn Care. In today's video, I'm going to answer the number one question I get about weed killers. And it's not probably what you think. It's not 2,4-D or tenacity. It's actually about a natural weed killer. And does that natural weed killer work? Maybe you've seen my other video where I've done a comparison of different types of natural or homemade, home remedy weed killers. Since I've done that particular video, the question that keeps popping up is the mixture of vinegar, salt, and Dawn actually a good weed killer? Is it effective? So in this video, I'm going to show you how to mix it up. I'm going to show you how to apply it, and we'll go back and we'll see if it works within 24 hours and then within 7 days as well. Before we get too far into this video, I'd appreciate it if you'd take time to subscribe to my channel. In addition to having access to this video in the future, you'll also see all of my previous and my upcoming videos that I'll produce as well. Now for the mixture, I'm not using your regular fish and chip style vinegar. I'm using a 23 to 25% acidic vinegar, regular table salt, and Dawn. I will use a 1/4 cup of salt per 1/4 gallon or liter, I suppose, of the acidic vinegar, and a 1/2 tablespoon of the Dawn. I'll mix that together in a spray bottle and we'll go out and we'll spray some weeds. So now the theory for this mixture is that the acid is going to burn the plant. The surfactant is going to change the surface tension of the leaf of the plant and of the water, the liquid in the vinegar, allow it to sit flat on the leaf. And then the salt is going to help pull moisture away from the plant and potentially kill the root. I guess in theory it sounds good, but let's just see how it works. So before we get started on this, just a word of advice and a word of caution. If you're going to attempt to use this, any other weed killer or herbicide, make sure that you read the warning label so that you know how to properly protect yourself. For this particular product, I would recommend rubber gloves, long sleeves. You may wear a mouth covering, maybe eye covering, because this is an acidic product. I personally may or may not use particular covering from time to time. That is because I've used this product and other products like it many times, and I know how I'm going to react to that particular product. But just because I react one way doesn't mean that you're going to react that same way. Wear proper protection. First thing I'm going to hit here are some dandelions. And some ferns. A little bit of moss. So now that I have those test spots sprayed, it's hard to say. Now that I have those test spots sprayed, I'm gonna wait 24 hours and we can go out and we'll have a look at the progress. So now 24 hours later, and let's take a look at the progress of those weeds. Dandelion, another dandelion. Dandelion's pretty much fried and so is that. Remnants of that fern. So look at that moss. Another dandelion there. Some more of the moss. So now it's a full 7 days removed from when I originally treated those weeds with the vinegar, salt, and a surfactant. And let's have a look at how they've progressed. Actually, let's do a side-by-side comparison of them. Now for a conclusion. Was this combination of products effective? It definitely was. Those weeds that I sprayed are completely gone. Now, are they more effective than vinegar at the same rate and just the surfactant? I can't say for sure. I can tell you though, after 7 days, that there was no new growth coming up from these weeds. We've had substantial amount of rain over that period of time, and one would expect that there would be some growth coming up if there was any life in that after 7 days. That's it for this video. I appreciate the time you've taken to watch it. As I say at the end of any of my videos, I'd appreciate it if you could take time to subscribe to my channel. You can like and share it as well. Subscribe to my channel, number one, helps me. It also gives you access to this video and all my future videos and past videos that I've produced as well.